What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kim. You know the name. So y'all, if you're new to my channel, my name is Kim Swab, and I'm your favorite girl from Miami. Okay. But anyways, y'all, so today we're gonna figure out. Well, we're not gonna figure out. I'm gonna show y'all how to get the ultimate Bratz doll lip. Look at this. You can't tell me that ain't Bratz, okay? This is more so for people who already have full lips. Sorry. I mean, if you have small lips, you can try it. I've never, I don't have small lips. I really can't relate. So, but yeah, you can try it. I don't know. It don't hurt to try, you know? Girl, if you're on this video, let's try it. Let's see. See if it come out. And if it come out, DM me, then let me know. But other than that, y'all, let's just get straight into the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to come subscribe. Let's grow this channel. Let's chat and let's become friends. All right, so oh, I look like I just ate powder. Okay. But anyway, so first we have to start by getting a brown, this is eyeliner, but anyway, a brown pencil. It could be dark brown, light brown, whatever brown. It could be any color, honestly, but today for video purposes we're doing brown. So start with the bottom. It looks like this. Don't line your lips, okay? Line your lips, your bottom lip at least, exactly how it is. Now for the top lip, we're gonna do a tap. Don't mud it. Don't overdo it. The top lip, we gonna do just a little bit of overlining, just a little bit, and that's only because we have to actually make the shape of a Bratz style lip. So first, we're gonna start by just lining the top lip exactly how it is, just like we did the bottom. We're gonna bring the top lip. When we do that side, bring it in like that. Just do it on the lip like that. See? Then we're gonna start from this end right here. My lips is lined exactly how it's supposed to be lined. Not too under, not too over. Now here's where the overlining come in. Now, pay attention, guys. Let me zoom this bitch in. Come right here at the halfway point of your lips. Go and do a triangle shape, or do it like pointed. Yeah, see how I pointed that? Do the same thing to this side. Boom, bitch. Okay. I always feel like the right nude makes your lips look more pouty, if that makes sense. Do it make sense to y'all? But it makes sense to me. So the right lip, the right nude will make your lips look pouty. Now this is Cookie from ColourPop, and I don't even think ColourPop sell this no more, because I got this like 3 years ago, 2-3 years ago. But get a nude that look like this is, or get a nude that match your lips more so. We're not gonna color, okay? We're just gonna pat it. Now don't pat it over your line. Pat it right above it. Do the same thing for the top. And then now this lip gloss, done been through it. It's off color now because it got lip liner and all that inside, but clear lip gloss nonetheless. So let me use a different clear for video purposes. I'm gonna take this and do the same thing. Don't put it over your line just yet. Just put it over the nude you just put on your lips. Now, one thing people don't know, lip gloss automatically makes your lips look bigger. So the more gloss, the bigger the lips. So now we're gonna go over our line, but make sure you mix it in. And now let's go over our line. Now we have Bratz doll lips, okay? And isn't this cute? But anyways, y'all, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go watch my other videos too. You know, you ain't gonna be doing that anyway, so just scroll through, you know. But don't forget to follow me on my social media. Everything will be in the description below. I think I said everything I need to say. Bye, y'all. Love y'all. Peace.